Greetings and best wishes to our lecturer. We are from Group 4 and our topic is Microtakaful Protection for Low-Income Families and Micro-Enterprise.
My name is SIANG Matrino 272036. Now I will give introductions. Takaful is a form of Islamic insurance in which participants pool their funds to protect each other against loss or injury. It also based on Sharia law and it protects health, life, and other types of insurance. Takaful fund pays out any claims made by the participants. Takaful have other product named Microtakaful, and it known as Islamic microinsurance is the one of the types of Takaful offering and exists in both family and general forms. The Microtakaful schemes are based on the experience of conventional microinsurance service. It complements Islamic microcredit and micro savings products. In 1997, Lebanon developed the first Microtakaful system. By January 2010, there were approximately 8 providers in Lebanon, Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Bahrain, and Pakistan. Besides, the researcher named Kohn attached to the advanced stage of Microtakaful in 2010 in a study of microinsurance markets. He discovered that microfinance institutions in Muslim majority countries are less likely to sell insurance. The purpose of Microtakaful is to respond to the low-income household and micro-enterprise financial needs in order to help them deal with big costs as a temporary or partial solution to the financial problems. Microtakaful helps to alleviate poverty and also raise the standard of living for the poor and low-income family, thus micro-enterprises. It also has the potential to contribute significantly to the economic growth of major Muslim countries. The benefit of Microtakaful is reducing the cost of insurance, and therefore low-income people can afford its premiums.
Hi everyone, my name is Chan Fanji. My matric number is 279520. I'm here to present Microtakaful. Microtakaful is also known as Islam microinsurance. Is one of the types of Takaful offering and exists in both family and general form. The purpose of Microtakaful is to respond to the low-income household and micro-enterprise in financial need. Microtakaful is a joint guarantee initiative. The concept of Microtakaful is similar like the concept of microinsurance, which is to protect the low-income family and micro-enterprise. Is just a new name for an old concept occurred in early 1970. Objective of Microtakaful is provide help for low-income families in order to help them deal with big costs of as a temporary or partial solution to financial problem. The existence of Microtakaful can help to provide and end in finance all of the micro-enterprise with the consequence of positive economic growth and higher return of investment of the country. The benefit of Microtakaful is to help reducing the cost of insurance so that people on a low income can afford it premium and afford the Takaful product that meet their financial protection need. Second, it help reduce the burden of government in reduce the aid and subsidy provide to low income society. The third benefit is Microtakaful help guarantee rules to financial is as a guarantee of financial institution to borrow money to financial. The other two benefits is improved standard of living of the poor people and expand Islam culture to society. The first difference between Microtakaful and Takaful is the target market. Target market of Microtakaful is low-income people, but Takaful is middle and high-income people. Second, in education of participant, the education level participant in Microtakaful is lower than participant in Takaful due to the financial problem. Besides, distribution channel of Microtakaful, because need to be simple and affordable, thus the distribution channel is mobile phone or small gallery store. to distribution Microtakaful, but the distribution channel of Takaful is broker, individual agent, Banchatakaful, and so on. Difference between Microtakaful and microinsurance is same with the difference between Takaful and insurance. First, Microtakaful is based on the Sharia contract, which means they have no element of riba, gaha, and mansil, but is included in microinsurance. Second, Microtakaful have profit sharing, means the profit is shared between the insurer and insured. But profit sharing does not exist in microinsurance. The profit of microinsurance depends on the company. Furthermore, Microtakaful is the fairness, means if the participant cancel the contract anytime, the payment before it is refunded, but microinsurance is not refunded. Thus, Microtakaful is subject to Sharia law and government law, but microinsurance only subject to government laws.
My name is Ang Jiajun, metric number 2768271. I will present about Microtakaful for low-income family. Low-income family refer to a family that have less income and they are likely to be unable to pay their family bills or living expenses as well. In Malaysia, the low-income family named as B40 and the household income below 4,850. First of all, we will talk about how Microtakaful product protect the low-income family. Microtakaful product need to have 4 rules, which is affordable, simple, easy to purchase, and easy claims process to help the low-income family. Because of that, Malaysia Takaful Association established Perlindungan Tenang in Malaysia to offer Microtakaful product to the B40 group based on the 4 rules. The first Microtakaful product is AIA Starter Plan provided by AIA Public Takaful Berhad. The participant can participate the product online and the entry age is open for 16 to 55 years old. The contribution is as low as RM29 yearly, depend on age and gender. And also this product provides some cover up to 30,000 ringgit. Secondly, Prudential BSN Takaful provide 2 Microtakaful products, which is SYAHIRA and Lindungi. Microtakaful SYAHIRA product is the first program of its kind to assist in Malaysia to provide life protection to the head of household consisting of B40. This program is free and supported 100% by welfare and zakat fund from Prudential BSN Prihatin, and it provides basic family Takaful coverage for a period of 12 months to selected low-income family who qualify. Also, the recipient will receive financial assistance of 10,000 ringgit in the event of the death of the head of the family, which is channeled directly to the recipient account. Thirdly, Lindungi product. The participant can participate this product in a simple way, which is online, and the entry age is open for 19 to 16 years old, and this product provides some cover up to 30,000 ringgit, and the contribution is as low as 15 ringgit yearly or 15 cents per day, depend on the age, gender, health status, and occupation. The third company that provide Microtakaful product is Agrobank and supported by Takaful Ikhlas. The Microtakaful product provided by this company named as Agro Marble Eye, and the participant have to participate this product in Agrobank branches. This product provide entry age from 18 to 64 years old. However, this Microtakaful product separated into 3 plans, which is Plan 1, Plan 2, and Plan 3, so that the participants can choose their plan according to their needs. The sum coverage provided by this plan is 13,000 for Plan 1, 26,000 for Plan 2, and 40,000 for Plan 3. The contribution need to pay by the participant is as low as 75 ringgit for Plan 1, 125 ringgit for Plan 2, and 195 ringgit for Plan 3 yearly. The fifth Microtakaful product considered as new Microtakaful product in marketplace, which provided by Great Eastern Takaful Berhad, named as Hospi Family. This Microtakaful product provide 3 months coverage protection plan, which provide daily hospitalization benefit to the person covered due to the illness or injury and lump sums accidental. The contribution for this Microtakaful product is as low as 40 ringgit, and the benefits provided by this product are daily hospitalization cash allowance, extended coverage to immediately family members, and simple enrollment. Next, the Microtakaful product provided by FWD Takaful Berhad is FWD Kasih. FWD Kasih is a product that offers protection to households with a monthly household income or up to 5,000. The participants can participate this product through online or selected partners, and the entry age is open for 18 to 55 years old. The contribution for this plan is as low as 2 ringgit 54 cents per month according to the plans chosen. Following by Honda MSIG Takaful Berhad, the Microtakaful product provided by this company are SIANG Takaful Tenang and SIANG Takaful Tenang 50. The participant can participate this product online, and the entry age provided by this product is 18 to 60 years old for SIANG Takaful Tenang and 18 to 55 years old for SIANG Takaful Tenang 50. Impact of Microtakaful to low-income family. First, affordable to owner protection. With the assistance of Microtakaful product, they will provide protection to low-income family at an affordable and low price. Secondly, risk transfer and loss reduction. This is because Microtakaful product is suitable for the current situation of low-income families compared to other insurance companies. Thirdly, spread a culture of social responsibility. This is due to the purpose of Microtakaful product is for helping people and helping the poor. So the company will take the attitude of guaranteeing each other through the concept of protection from any hardship and misfortunes. Following by improving the life of the poor, the Microtakaful product will provide protection to low-income family to be more resilient to economic shocks and in turn to improve their living standards. Lack of skill in money management. For example, if a participant dies and his family get a large amount of family from Microtakaful product, the family members will lack of money management skills for the future, and the money will be spent as quickly as not and spending for the unnecessary things. Issue and barriers of development Microtakaful in low-income family. Unbalanced ratio of contribution funds and claim. This happen due to the losses and deficits will occur due to the low cost of claims in excess of the accumulated contribution funds given. Secondly, promotion and outlets. These barriers happen due to the low-income families do not have enough education and financial literacies regarding Microtakaful product as they're living in rural areas. Lack of appetite. Microtakaful institutions face a lack of appetite such as underwriting, risk management, and claims management. Followed by the fourth issue, which is lack of awareness among the Muslim society. We can see this issue due to there are only a few insurance companies in Malaysia that offer Microtakaful products for the low-income family. Lastly, profitability. Low contribution volume and small scale of customer risk but high operating costs resulting in relatively low profit margin and can lead to a loss problem behavior to the company.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SITI NURUL ATIKAH binti Muhammad AMIN. 272454 is my matrix number. Okay, so the next subtopic is Microtakaful for micro enterprise. It to serve the low income community and help them move from the financial difficulties and protecting low income population from unforeseen risks and circumstances. Okay, so let's move on with the definition of micro enterprise. It is a small business that operates and employs fewer than 10 people and has small sales turnover. Based on SME Development and Council, microenterprises have the record of annual sales turnover which is less than $300,000 and employ less than 5 full-time employees. So the next primary companies is in manufacturing sector, service, and also agro-based industry. It can be started with a small amount of capital which can be gained from the bank or own saving and accumulated from family members. It's very easy and simple to set up. The numbers of micro enterprise keep rising and become one of the highest type of business in the market. So let's move on with how Microtakaful protect micro enterprise is in terms of financial losses and also overcome the property. It offers low premium compared to the Takaful or other insurance, guarantee up until 100% loan that has been granted by the bank and issued by the government without any guarantee or collateral needed. Enhance the microenterprise sales turnover, curb the property, help the growth of the business, and then it much simpler and easier way of underwriting practices and policy language. It also covers high risk compared to the Takaful, which normally excluded. Let's move on with the companies and Microtakaful products. So the first is GHL System Berhad, Fit Takaful Ikhlas, Fit Senang Insurance. So in terms of the coverage of Microtakaful products, micro lending to micro wealth management, and in terms of microfinancial services to micro enterprise due to pandemic COVID-19. So the next company is MNRB Holdings Berhad, collaborated with NISA on research specifically into an affordable Microtakaful scheme for farmers and smallholders. Okay, so the main objective is to provide protection and benefit to the farmers and enterprises from crop damage because of the natural disaster. The next company is Takaful Ikhlas Fit Farmer Welfare Federation of Malaysia, is to looking after the needs of of poor farmer and funded by the government and covered 100,000 members. The next is Selangor Integrated Agriculture Development Area, or widely known as IADA. So the farmer willing to contribute certain amount of fund. The paddy farmer do so because they pay for their crop takaful in order to protect their paddy crop from natural disaster. So the next is the positive impact. With the first one is strengthening the cooperation and unity. Micro enterprise also will get easier and faster loan. It's an offer protection for the micro enterprise even though they are facing higher risk. Stimulus the micro enterprise profit and sell over annually, which automatically will help to improve in terms of lifestyle and the way of living for the micro enterprises. And the low-income families can afford because of the low premium of this. So in terms of the negative impact is most of the micro enterprise will take for granted of the benefit because they easily obtain the financing fund from the bank without no collateral or guarantor needed. So some of the micro enterprise just stay at their comfort zone without trying to improve their way of living. Then the next one is challenges in developing Microtakaful. In terms of technical technology expertise and providing financial assistance as time pass by, and then in terms of the competitiveness among takaful and insurance companies in order to attract new customers and maintaining their regular customers. And then the lacking and weakness of marketing style that is sadly and unfortunately still depending on the traditional system, and insufficient of accurate takaful data for the targeted group, and then in terms of the claim for the takaful by creating and faking the accident in order to claim the takaful. The society is lack of awareness and knowledge about the Microtakaful product, and then the micro enterprise or ignorance in learning or engage to the new thing. And the exposure of Microtakaful product to the society is very low compared to the famous takaful insurance such as life insurance, motor insurance. And the lowest, and even though the lowest and minimum amount of payment $2 to $15 monthly, micro enterprise still feel unable to afford it. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.
My name is SYAHIRA binti NORAIN 276851 and I'm from Group 4. Next, I'm going to explain 5.0 conclusion. Microtakaful are being introduced for low-income families. Many organizations such as NGO and donor agency already be recognized in Microtakaful. Microtakaful also require help from many organizations to keep sustain help low-income families. People nowadays are still unaware about the importance of takaful and the problem we are living today. Microtakaful play important roles to provide Sharia against the financial consequences of death and illness to the poor in exchange for affordable premiums. Microtakaful scheme can help to reduce the burden of poor population. The Islamic financial industry must have to focus on Microtakaful for development in community and not only in Muslim countries because the number of poverty of non-Muslims outside the country are also high. Next, recommendation. First, promoting Microtakaful. Bank Negara Malaysia has released exposure draft to 6 main ways to promote Microtakaful. The central bank says under perlindungan tenang there is micro insurance and Microtakaful product, so the exposure draft sets out to propose requirements and guidance to provide the products. In 2017, Bank Negara Malaysia has launched perlindungan tenang with insurance industry collaboration. The objective BNM initiative is to expand the insurance and to target low-income family. Bank Negara Malaysia exposure draft also provide enhancement in existing framework to achieve by promoting more meaningful and greater Microtakaful. My next point, Microtakaful plan with FWD Kasih. This plan is targeted for low-income family in suitable prices with their current situation. FWD Takaful Berhad has recently launched FWD Kasih using online platform. This plan is dedicated to support Malaysian low-income group. Low-income family only need to pay monthly as low as RM2.03 for women, and RM2.54 for men. This plan is to aim lower-income communities to making the Takaful plan affordable, convenient, and accessible. University Utara Malaysia also has collaborated with FWD Takaful. This also can help students from low-income family to take this plan for protection for themselves too. My last point is campaign awareness. This campaign is to increase public awareness and understanding of the importance of Takaful protection scheme and the widespread need to cover the key areas inhabited by this group. Raising awareness to community about the importance of Takaful is really important, as this is our part of duty to remind them. This is also for preparing in uncertainty situation that can be happen at any time, so they can have a protection for themselves too. For example, use online platform at social media such as Twitter, Instagram, because this is also a way to communicate with them. People also will gain a knowledge about the importance to have a protection from Takaful.